White kidney beans benefits. 7 reasons why you should eat white kidney beans. White kidney beans, or cannellini beans, which originated from the Americas and South America, are popular for their texture and subtle flavor. However, aside from the amazing taste and flexibility, white kidney beans have a lot of health benefits. In this video, we will share with you some of the reasons why you should eat white kidney beans. Anti-inflammatory benefits. According to a study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry in 2014, white and red kidney beans are loaded with phenols, which are plant compounds known to have anti-inflammatory benefits and can help fight chronic diseases. Weight loss benefits. A research by Medicus Research LLC in California, entitled A Proprietary Alpha Amylase Inhibitor Found White Bean, Phaseolus vulgaris, a review of clinical studies on weight loss and glycemic control, found that a weight loss supplement developed using white beans can help participants shed extra pounds with no adverse side effects. This is because white beans serve as amylase inhibitors, which block digestive enzymes and prevent the quick absorption of carbohydrates by your body. What makes cannellini beans even more effective for weight loss is that they can increase feelings of satiation and have low calorie content. Control blood sugar levels. In the same study by Medicus Research LLC in California, it was found that those who took white kidney bean supplement experienced a decline in blood sugar levels because it acts as an amylase inhibitor. In another 2006 research, white bean amylase inhibitor administered orally reduces glycemia in type 2 diabetic rats, it was discovered that doses of amylase inhibitor from white kidney beans can control the levels of desacaridase, which is an enzyme that breaks down into sugar. Prevent skin damage. In a study conducted at Duke University Medical Center, it was found that white kidney beans are rich in antioxidants, including ferulic acid. This can prevent skin damage by the sun. When this is added to vitamins C and E, topical solution, it can significantly control skin cell death caused by harmful UV rays. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics study, Position of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Health Implications of Dietary Fiber, it was stated that white kidney beans can minimize your risk of diabetes because it is rich in fiber. The recommended intake is 25 to 35 grams of dietary fiber per day. This can be obtained by eating whole grains, fiber-rich vegetables and fruits, nuts, and legumes. Healthy heart. In the 2015 study, Association Between Dietary Fiber Intake and Risk of Coronary Heart Disease, a meta-analysis, involving 672,000 participants, it was found that high consumption of fiber can prevent coronary heart disease. Moreover, the previously mentioned study by Medicus Research LLC also found that white kidney bean supplement can reduce the fat cells triglycerides, which can be harmful for the heart. Now that you know the nutritional value and health benefits that white kidney beans can offer, you have more reasons to eat this fiber and protein-rich vegetable. By doing a simple online search, you will surely find countless interesting ways to integrate white kidney beans into your diet. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.